Hey guys, so welcome back to my moving vlog series. I just made myself a cup of matcha and I'm ready to conquer the rest of the day. It's currently like 3 p.m. I am in the middle of editing, well not editing, but trying to upload a vlog, and then I will have part 1 of the moving vlog uploaded as well, and now I'm filming part 2. So I am having a matcha latte. It's really good. I actually don't do all the hard work that it takes to make matcha. I actually use the Trader Joe's. I'll show you guys. I use a Trader Joe's mix. I use this one, which is the Trader Joe's mix, and I just mix it with some oat milk. That's my matcha latte right there. So that's that. I'm gonna give you guys a quick little update on the house, what's happening, and then I actually have to start getting my office together. Since my last update, not much has changed at all between my room and my office. So today, I actually have to go live with this company called Jacques. They are a Haitian-owned skincare company. I'm doing a live, an Instagram live with them. I'm doing some like at-home skincare, self-care situation. So I have to get my desk together and my office somewhat together before that starts, and that's at 7 p.m. tonight. So I have to put my curtains up, put my desk together, and have it look somewhat presentable for the live tonight. So we're gonna do all of that together. So a few updates. We have a TV stand. I just picked it up today. It's from IKEA. I actually got it from a friend who had it in her house and she no longer wanted it, so she gave it to me. All the stuff on top of it is for my desk that I'm about to work on, but kitchen is still the same. Not much has changed. We are in the middle of getting the house painted, so this is where the painter left off today. He just left, so he still has to do this wall, the walls here, but basically this is what we have so far. Like I mentioned in the last vlog, we are getting the entire house painted white because we didn't like the green color. So as you can tell, just from this area being white, there's so much more light coming into the house now, and we love it. We love it. So it's not done at all. Literally, there's still green here. There's still touch-ups, but we're getting there, and I'm happy about what it looks like so far. So this is what my office is looking like currently. Like I said, not much has changed. We did paint this room. Well, not we, because he did it. He did paint this room, so this room is ready to go and ready for me to do what I need to do. So that's what it looks like so far. So what I'm about to do today before my live is put curtains up, put my desk up, and then somewhat situate that a little bit and have this place looking presentable. Yeah, that's basically it. So my bed did come in. It's here. I haven't put it up yet. It's currently Wednesday, and I got the bed on Sunday, and it's still here. I was supposed to have my uncle put it up today, but that might have to wait till tomorrow. So that's my bed. Much has changed since my last video, other than there's clothes on the floor that needs to be put up. Actually, a lot of that is clothes that I need to give away. So that's that. That's what's happening so far. Guys, so I don't think I had to be real with myself and tell myself I don't think I will be able to put up my curtain, put up this desk and everything in time for the live. I'm gonna do it tonight, but not in time for the live. So I am tackling the desk first. And y'all, that box was so heavy. The box for the desk was so heavy that I had to break it up into pieces in order to bring them up. And they are here now, and I'm about to assemble it. Okay guys, it is the next morning. I'm so happy that I was able to get my bed up, to get my desk up. So happy. But today, the goal for today is to tidy up everything. I want my bedroom to be done, and the only thing I'm waiting for is a mattress, which is gonna take a few days. So I want the room to be done by the time the mattress gets here, and it's just ready for me to sleep and live in, and I hope we can get that done by Monday. I want to get back to my routine and just the flow of things how I like it by Monday. So I'm going to decorate the nightstand. I have some wall art that just came in. I have them in this corner right here. I'm gonna put them up. It's bright, you can't really see, but I filmed the live here last night, so I need to remove all of this and put them in my office. And I have a ton of clothes that was on the floor that I need to put away and find out where to put them. And then the mirror, I need to actually attach it to the wall and then just clean it up. That's the goal for today. And then once that's done, I'll move over to my office and get some work done in there as well. So we're moving right along. So I made it to the office. I kind of finished cleaning out the room. I have a little dilemma. I'm not sure where I want to have my desk facing. Like, that's a struggle right now. But I'll probably just find somewhere to put it and arrange it and then switch it up later. I'm thinking curtains here, and then eventually I will get some like bookshelf like IKEA packs things on each side, so I can store like shoes, clothes, handbags, and all that. And then I can put, when I'm filming, I can put my camera like here and stuff, and then I will stand here to film because I need like a blank surface kind of, and then have my clothing rack here. But I don't know, guys. I don't know. So I have officially reached the age where household things excite me. Well, I feel like I've always been there, but I had a shoot today, a few hours ago. I was supposed to shoot with a client, and as soon as we were getting out of our cars, it started raining, so we ended up having to reschedule for Sunday. But I was in the area where there's a West Elm, so I decided to stop in, and they had the glasses, the wine glasses that I was looking for. They had them in stock, so I grabbed a few. I'm gonna show you guys what they look like, but also my package came. I ordered a set of plates. It came with like dinner plates, salad plates, bowls, and mugs from Wayfair, because I was going for a specific style. I wanted that like clay-like finish. So I ordered it, and I opened the box and I saw one of them, and it's exactly what I was going for. So I'm super duper excited. Super duper excited. I got from West Elm, and it's basically that, I don't even know what do you call this shape, but I love the West Elm version versus a lot of other ones. Like you can find them at Home Goods, but I love how thin the what do they call it, stem. I love how thin the stem is, the West Elm ones, and how thin the base is. That's something that I look for when I buy like wine glasses. So that's why I was like so adamant about getting them from either West Elm or Crate and Barrel or even Williams Sonoma. So I love theirs. So I'm so glad that I found them, because the cashier was telling me that they actually were out of stock for a very long time, and she had just restocked it like a few minutes before I walked in. So I got super lucky. I ended up getting 4 of them because we only need 4. But I got the big one. They come in 2 different sizes, and they also have the regular like round ones with the long stem that are just as thin. But I asked Nikita which one she likes more, and she said this one, so we both agreed on this one. We're gonna break it in tonight because I bought some wine. It looks bright. A lot better. I saw our dream coffee table at West Elm, but you know, it is not within our. It's not within our budget.
How much is it? 7?
Yep.
How the did I know? I feel like I saw it online.
The drum one, right?
I don't.
The drum shape.
I don't know.
It's like round.
Yeah. What color is it?
It's like the light wood.
The light wood one?
Well, they have a white wood too.
I don't want white.
No. Yeah, I think the light wood would be better, just because of the couch being like chocolate.
Yeah.
It gives it like that cafe au lait or whatever.
Yeah. And then
I've actually never used one of these.
What?
It's a
corkscrew,
but it's not like this is the more difficult. Child, trying to be fancy. I could have got a regular corkscrew.
That's just the one that you put on to show, you know that, right? That's all that's good for. Where's the shake towel?
They turned. Would you like some wine? Is it? It's Merlot. I've actually never really had Merlot. Now I think about it.